The geosciences are incredibly important today. The world is facing what's been called a perfect storm, that there's growing population, we have increasing demand for food and fuel and water, and the Earth itself is finite. We need to find ways of being more sustainable, and the geosciences are at the heart of that.
One of the things that a top research university does is make sure that we're preparing graduates to meet future workforce needs. We're also a land-grant university, and land-grant universities really work to fulfill the mission and support the economy of the states in which they reside. In Kansas, we have great tradition and excellence in agriculture. We also want to make sure that we're doing the same for the energy industry. This particular building and facility and program is part of that core that's going to help us prepare graduates to support the industry in Kansas, in the Midwest, and the world at large.
Excellent research requires cutting-edge facilities. If we have the facilities for cutting-edge research, we'll be able to attract the brightest and best faculty. If we have the brightest and best faculty, that will attract students who want to come and work with those faculty. And it just becomes an upward spiral. So all in all, if we're going to try to build and grow this department, we can't do it in this building. It's really quite simple.
One of the things that we want to do as we look at what our building projects are going to be long-term at Kansas State University is to put like programs close to each other. So we want to locate the new Geosciences Building close to physics and engineering and math and chemistry and biology and some of those other core sciences so that we can foster collaborations through space, not just talk about it electronically.
Being near other STEM fields would be really beneficial for geology students, mostly because real-world problems require collaboration. This new facility would help students learn how to work in multidisciplinary environments. It would help them gain more hands-on experiences, and ultimately when those two things come together, it helps them better prepare themselves to solve the world's problems.
To support the Kansas economy, we need to produce graduates that can really work closely with the energy industry, and a great facility is part of what can do that. We got to start that today. We've got to invest in the program today so that in future years when the state needs that to grow, we're already producing the graduates and we already have that pipeline there to make sure that Kansas State University is out in front and helping the Kansas economy to grow.
Understanding the way that the Earth functions is of utmost importance in making sure that we can sustainably manage our resources. And getting a degree in geology from Kansas State University will definitely prepare myself to make a difference in that way.